Hi, today we talk about PLC and AB Rslogix 5000 to control VFD. In my previous video, we talk about this PLC control VFD, but we use its SNRG45 to communication. Today we just use input module, output module to do this job. Let's start. First, we should build just emulation. So we use 1780 remote. We build SNet, IP SNet, and use the remote SNet and use the 1756 analog input and 1756 analog output. Also, we use the 1756 digital input. We can use the wiring is PLC input. Push start, push forward, push reverse is output. Output module is sent to signal go to the VFD. Okay, but if at first you show the wiring look like this one, how to wiring input module, output module, you should watch the program. Okay, first we should forward is stop push button. You should wiring to the forward push button, stop push button, reverse push button is also an input module, connection input module, and digital input module, and output forward, output reverse is connect output digital output module. After the digital output module, send the signal go to this terminal. Okay, you can according to the VFD terminal block is you can do this job. Emulation this one, all this emulation. Okay, first you show the analog input, and still we use the analog input. Use potentiometer to send the signal go to the PLC, then analog output module send the signal go to the VFD. Okay, but today we just use emulator. Emulator use the analog input. First your configuration, we use potentiometer 0 to 10 volts. Is engineer is 0 to 100. We use 0 to 10 volts. Okay, and output calibration is 0 to 10 volts. This is the 0 to 60 frequency. Okay, that's it. But in the actually the PLC you can do this COP, CPT instruction. All this for just emulation, and for send the signal go to the HMI. But if you have direct connection VFD, just use moving from input move to output. That's it. Look like this. Move, input signal. Look, input signal is output. What's output signal? Oh, we should build output signal. we use output analog output to here. Remote Ethernet analog to is signal 0. Okay. In here, use output signal. That's it. You actually just moving input signal go to the output signal. Oh, sorry, output signal. Hey, what's going on? Output signal. Oh, here, output signal. That's it. But in here, we just use unused HMI. We should convert first input signal is integer, double integer. You use the copy instruction, convert to real, then use CPT computing with how to convert this signal. Okay, we use 05535. This all this 0 to 10 is 0 volts is minus 3276.8. Is 10 volts is high is 32767. So we use this 65535 on the computation. Then after that, it convert signal move to the HMI as input. This is the input signal is displayed HMI. Okay, we still can use output configuration, then move the output signal HMI display output. Okay, this one just PLC to exactly communication to VFD, just use moving. Okay, that's it. All the first you should configuration, unlock input module, unlock output module, digital input module, digital output module. Okay, that's it. Let's start. We use the communication emulator. We use forward. This wiring go to the input is VFD input wiring. Maybe I don't different one. Maybe it's number, different number. Okay. We stop, reverse, then start reverse. That's it. VFD is reverse. So we can use a potentiometer signal, go to the input module 0, input module 0, input module channel 0, then you can see what's going on. Watch input signal. Input signal string we can use input signal is 3, 5, 6, 7, 3. So you can see computation convert 54 is 0 to 100% is 54. If your display the HDMI is 54%, okay. So its convert signal is 54. Okay, this all is 0 to 60 volts, 0 to 60 frequency. His convert signal, output signal is 54 frequency. Okay. Oh, there should be. Oh, there's, look, is 32. Is the 54 is 100%, 54%. Is 0 to 100 is 54%. And is display 0 to 6 hertz is 32 hertz. Okay, if you want to change it, watch. Input signal. So is 100%. So is 100%. This signal is 100%. This is the signal is 10 volts. Okay, is the potentiometer go to the 10 volts. It's 100%. So the output is 60 volts. Okay, so output is 60 frequency. 60 francs. So all of this way we just use wiring to communication input module, output module, and use analog digital module, analog digital input module, analog digital output module. We have 4 modules. We can do everything here. But here is maybe more expensive. You have to use wiring to connection. But this just one way. Most time we use the RJ45 Ethernet. Just the cable, Ethernet cable, Ethernet cable to communication. Before we talk about this one, okay? Thank you very much.